Hi, I'm Chef Gin. Today I'm going to teach you
How to make Italian tiramisu cream. We need egg yolks 240 gram, egg white 120 gram, sugar 300 gram, water 75 gram, gelatine 12 gram, mascarpone cream 1 kilogram, whipped cream 1 kilogram, espresso, strong coffee or coffee flavored liqueur optional. Put in the gelatine in cold water and keep until gelatine soak. Beat the egg yolk and egg white slowly using an electric mixer. While the eggs mixture mixing, add the sugar and little water into a medium pot and place on medium-low heat. Stir until sugar melts and becomes clear. Maintain at medium-high heat until temperature reads 116 degrees Celsius. Put in the sugar into the egg mixer immediately. At this point the mixture should be at the soft peak stage. Run mixer until made sabayon, and whipping until cool down. Add melted gelatine and mascarpone to sabayon and mix until well combined. In a separate bowl, whipping cream to soft peaks, using hand mixer or stand mixer. Gently fold the whipped cream in the mascarpone sabayon mixture and set aside. Mix the cold espresso with the coffee liquor. Mixture put in the dish and keep in chiller and use.